My name is Sandra Smith. About 15 years ago, I had a tennis injury and I had to have the meniscus fixed, and so I thought, wow, that's going to be great. And so I went along for about 15 years and I just kept having more and more and more problems. I was under the care of a doctor and we did a couple of steroid shots a year, and then I tried the injections, and none of that seemed to work. And so my husband plays tennis with Tim, and Tim was planning on doing surgery, and he told me about Dr. Barber. I went in to see Dr. Barber and he took an x-ray and he came back and he said, I concur. It's time to do knee surgery. So I was devastated, but I knew that I had to do it. My knee, I couldn't play tennis anymore. I had stopped playing tennis, and I thought about it, I prayed about it, and we decided to do surgery. So I went back to Dr. Barber and we set it up, and he said, before we do surgery, I want you to get into an exercise program and physical therapy. November, December, January, February, I religiously did exercise. And March the 7th last year, I had surgery. He assured me that, yeah, it wasn't going to be easy, but he told me, he said, you just got to be patient. And through that process, I did have to be patient, and I had to do the therapy. And he kept telling me every time I would go back, patience, patience. I guess it was probably 2 months after surgery when I finished my last therapy, and I asked the PT, I said, can I hit some tennis balls? He said, there's no reason why you can't. My husband and I came out and we started hitting. So it was a happy day. It was just very enticing for me to think that we were going to do a scan of my knee and send it off somewhere, and it was going to be mine. And so that, I think, convinced me more than anything else. But I think my range of motion as a result of that has made all the difference in the world. I felt like he knew the latest and the greatest technology. And I felt like, that he wasn't using this if he wasn't sure. Today is a year since I had surgery. I had 4 or 5 ice packs just on a normal day, cleaning the house or working in the yard. I had swelling so bad. And so that has all changed for me. So it's a new life, a new day. If I was over there looking at me, I would say, why did you wait so long? Why did you wait 4 or 5 years to suffer? I lost a lot of things because of my knee and because of my stubbornness of not admitting that I needed to have something done. I am a total believer now of if there's something that a doctor can do to fix you, I think you should do it.